So I'm sitting here in my garage with my new Lamborghini, working on it. We're fixing the paint. There's a lot of crocodile cracks. I'd love to show you a picture, but we kind of already started.
Yeah, we've done a lot already.
Here's one of our old pads that we've worn down.
Yeah, it's that one's completely gone. Where's the other one gone? We've worn through two already.
This is the second one that we're using.
Oh wait, is that the one that I was using?
No, this is the one you were using. This is the one that I was using.
Where's the one before that? Because we already used one as well.
This one here, I chucked it back on.
Oh shit! Okay, it actually
Yeah.
had some actual grit left on it.
Yeah, because we can go through the edges. But this is our jank setup. We got a light and nothing else. But this is what we got.
There's my Celica.
Tearing in the background. It's like a cat.
I reckon we should use its headlights as a light for when we paint it.
I think so. I think if it doesn't rain overnight, we can bring the car out and paint it then. But if it starts raining, then we're kind of.
It might. Oh well. Maybe. The only issue is I do not want to get paint all over my fucking clothes, because I'm just going to show Jaden's. Move your arm.
Oh, yeah.
Stand. Yeah, you can see that. Look at this shit. He has ruined these pants and shit. And mine are the exact same. Yeah, so, no. Unless, it depends what way the wind's going.
True.
Because if the spray paint's coming back at us, your clothes are going to be red by the morning.
Oh, yeah. You mean grey because of the amazing primer we have.
Oh, yeah.
We have three
So we've
coats
got
of primer and one red. I think
one
it's
pretty much full can. Oh, is that the full can? Yeah, it's pretty much full. Although that's the full can. This is pretty much full. That one's nearly full. Quite.
Is that the 50%?
This one's fucking empty pretty much. And this is our only red, isn't it? Or did they pick up? Did they go get some?
Nope. That's our only red.
So we got one red to do that entire
Yeah,
panel.
I'll probably do the red tomorrow.
Oh, actually spray paint tomorrow.
Well, we'll do the primer tonight.
True. Well, we're gonna be working. Oh, yeah, wait. Are you going to work?
Most likely.
Fuck.
If you wake up tomorrow and you want to work on Ron, go right ahead.
I'm not spray painting your car by myself. If I fuck something, I'm gonna feel so shit.
Look at okay. Come on. And it's not hard. Eh. We'll just mask it up and I'll trust you. Look at the way you do with the sanding, so...
That was, not terrible, but...
Nah. Ugh, you fucking dick. We have to give it a friend now.
We gotta give the dick a friend. I don't think you can barely even see... Oh, you can kind of see it. My shadow gets in the way.
Oh, now it's a banana.
Now you can... Look, there's so much dust. I did that not even that long ago. Oh, yeah, you're redrawing them. You're forgetting the veins.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
That's a girthy ass cock. Alright. So...
Tape this in instead of tapering out. Let's finish this. So this battery's gonna die any second.
Have you put the other one on charge?
Yeah, this one's at 2 bars.
Out of how many?
4.
You'll be right.
It'll be fine.
That'll get you at least another 20 minutes, maybe.
It should give us enough to finish this panel.
Yeah.
Oh, this part here.
That part, yeah.
Well, I guess, we'll come back when we, fix the panel, finish the panel. Levi! Oh, what the fuck? It stopped working! The sander!
This battery dead.
Let's find out. Battery's on 1 bar.
I know why, I think.
Why is that? Let's see that.
Hand it to me. It may be overloaded with dust.
True. Should we go drop it, see how it looks?
Yeah, bring that light.
I got the light and I got the camera.
You see it?
Yeah.
Alright. Just...
Oh,
Jesus.
straight into me. Okay then.
let's just tap it on this.
Oh my god. Look at that.
I should have my mask on for this.
Do you want me to do it?
That's okay.
Look at that in the light.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh shit, John.
Can't even get through it on one pass. That's how thick it is.
Okay, let's see if that works.
Sweet.
So it was so filled with dust it stopped working.
Holy shit. Wait, you ready?
Alright, can you see this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh my god. And we're not even done yet.
No, this is how close are we now? We're not even that.
I don't know, probably have a little bit more.
Probably like 2/3 of the way.
Yeah, about.
Alright, back inside.
So I think we're gonna go back to the time lapse
Do
again.
you want me to do you want me to do anything now, or are you...
Do you want to work on
Are
it for
you
a bit?
time-lapsing?
No, I'm
Okay,
recording.
good. I was about to say, like, you just time...
Can't even see the mouth.
If you want me to, I can. I'm really not that fast.
Yeah, I might go for a coffee break.
A coffee break, yeah. It sounds like a
Yeah,
good hour.
yeah. So we took about an hour and a half break. We tried to work on this leaker. Still rattles. Don't know why.
But we did do a lot of work.
We
got this
yeah.
entire top piece done.
Yeah, I'll
We
come
did
show you.
shitload- Pretty much completely done this part. So now we
This is what it's looking like at the moment. It's still a bit patchy, like there, that
Yeah.
corner there.
So we just need to get this top piece done here. And come
Yeah.
in here, and then we're pretty much the only parts we've got to do.
Yeah, it's a little bit harder to see without the light, but oh, there we go. Yeah,
Do you
good
even need
enough.
masks for this part?
Not really. Yeah, we've got that part to do up to that side panel. That bottom bit there you can't see 'cause it's too dark. And that part here, but now because it's 1 in the morning, we have to sandpaper. It's gonna take too many hours. Check back in what at 3 a.m. Maybe 2, or when we give up.
Yeah, I mean, have you showed the progress so far?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, there it is. That's better.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
She's looking mean. She's working.
Yeah. Our dicks are staying.
Dicks are still there. Yeah, let's get started on this. Alright, we're back. It's 2:22 if I remember correctly. We've done a bit of work. As you can see, all of this panel now is done, well at least most of it. We still gotta get in between this edge here
And
and up.
and
Yeah.
yeah.
We lined a little bit of it with masking tape just to make sure we didn't get it. But, bad part, we're out of fucking sandpaper.
Yeah, we're kind of running out.
We're down to our last little bits. There's this little bit here. That's fucked.
That's pretty fucked. We've got... Wow, this shit here is, like, bad. It's really shit, but we're gonna have to use it.
Yeah.
These are obviously, you can already tell they're all meant for orbital sanders, but we're doing them handheld.
Because it's 2 in the morning and we can't really orbital sand.
Yeah, no, we can't. It's too loud.
Good morning, people. Okay, so it's Thursday now. We started this on Saturday, I think it was. But I finally got the chance. I don't have to go into uni today to buy actual sandpaper. I bought these 3M Pro Grade detailing edges. I have 2 of them. One's 80, one's 120, and then I also got if I can pick them up. These two, let's get it over here. I got two of the, one of these 60 grit for the orbital sander and a 120. So hopefully I'm going to get this done today. I have spray paint to pick up again. We bought the wrong ones, but I shall show you what it looks like now. So this is run at the moment. We did a little bit more work. As you can see, we got these parts done. I know I did a video in the morning, but I was tired, so I probably won't use that clip. And we're just trying to finish up these parts. Oh, is that rust? Nope. It is actually rust there. It's been sitting for a few days because I haven't been able to work on it. But hopefully, if all goes to plan, this will be completed. Now that I look at this, I don't know if I'm going to need... Ooh, focus. I might not need a lot of this 60 grit, but I'm happy I got it. So we can keep it if we want to do the rest of the car. I'm probably going to use this 120 and just sand it down so we don't have any more of these gouges here. And see if I can find another more spot. It's like I can't. I'll just hopefully smooth it down so it all looks like this. There's a little bit more rust here. Let's see if we can see that here. That's from it just, I think it's, hang on. Let me turn the camera around. I think that's just from it oxidizing because it's so cold here. It's the middle of winter, which is not probably the best time to do this. It also might rain. Oh shit, my hands are dirty. Which isn't amazing, but I don't think we're going to be painting today. Also, if you want to see how much dust there is, all of this was on the floor. So, remember to wear your mask. Oh, another thing. No one sells respirators. They are all gone across. I went to Super Cheap Auto, Bunnings, Repco. None. So, I have, I think, one dust mask left. If I just go and grab it. Yep. I just have one more of these KN95s. KN95 masks. But, yeah. I'm going to get started, hopefully finish it, and then I'll come back when the sanding's done. Alright, so I'm back. As you probably saw in that time lapse, I've got most of it done here. This I'm probably just going to do with those hand sanding blocks, see how well I can do it. And here, you can't actually see it, but there's a this is all bumpy. This is like a golf course, craters. So I'm not going to do this anymore, and I'm just going to hope that there's no rust underneath here, because if there is, then that's going to suck. But I actually can't get it because this was hit because I can feel how bumpy it is. Here, sorry, I'm using the front camera. I'm probably just going to do it by hand sanding and hope I get most of that. I haven't done the bottom yet because I think I might leave that till last. Actually, get good lighting. Yep, I'm probably just going to leave that till last. But as I'm going through, let me turn the camera around. As I was going around, I think there might be some more at the top here. No, a little bit. I don't know if you can see those fine black specks, but that, my camera will focus. Right there. That's all rust. So, there's some more here. Full focus, come on, there we go. You can see it good there. This is, you can tell it's not that big because of my hands. But this is all surface rust and this has to all be removed. I think that's a little bit more there. All leftover paint, there's some there. But if you are going to go do this and you're deciding to paint your car, make sure you can do it either on a weekend or on a day, because you can't leave bare metal out this long because now it's starting to rust. So if you have to wait, I think about 3 days would probably be the most you can wait. But I'm saying it's not a train smash. I'm sanding this all down and I'll be back to you afterwards. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, it might be a little bit later. But we finished. All the sanding is 95% done, but we're just leaving it there because the other parts we either can't get to because we're lazy. And it'll be fine because, hang on, I'll show you as well. As you can see, she's looking beautiful. She's all dusted off and stuff like that. There are a few scratches here and there, as you can see. There. No, this really isn't helping, but as you can see, all of this is done. All of that is done. That's done, and that isn't done because I found this out. So this here, the tape it goes in because if you look closely, there are a few scratches down there. If we come to the other side of the car, you can see that there are no scratches and it goes perfectly. What happened was, they got on a crash. Don't know how, don't know what crashed into it, but it has seriously, if I put that up like that, it seriously damaged all of this, because this all goes in, you can't really see it. But yeah, so that sucks. So we can really sand it. It shouldn't be too much of a problem with the primer though, and if it is really a bad problem I have, car filler. This is lightweight car filler, so should work. No, so that's the next step. Hopefully it's going to be done tonight. I think that is actually the end of this first part. Body filler and paint will be next. I'm still going to record them, obviously, tonight. So, in the next video, when I have the same shirt on, that's why. But, hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe there'll probably be more videos, because I got to replace my CV, either replace or grease up my CV, so you better be sure I'm recording that and uploading it. And I think that's it. Adios.